Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Kaitlyn Isabel Manalo with student ID number 2023-32-016 from the Information System Department Class B. Now here I will explain about the step to add enemies, coin collection and camera follow. The first, adding enemies. Open the Unity application and continue the previous. Add an asset pellet cactus in X in long long. The first, adding enemies. Open the Unity application and continue the previous project. Add an asset called cactus in Impact Store in the sprite rendering section. Give a value of 1 to the order in layer so that the cactus is visible in the background. Add two components of the first 2D polygon collider in the is trigger section. Check it and the second does not need to be checked. Enter a script name enemy by right clicking create C script. Script explanation. This enemy script in Unity function to detect collision between enemy object and players. At the beginning of the game, the script looks for an object named bird and takes the character component has when an object with the player tag touches the enemy collider with an active trigger, the leaf of the bird object will be reset by 1. The start function is used initialize refresh, while on trigger enter 2D is used to respond to interaction when a collision occurs. An update is provided but has not been used in the current logic. The second, coin collection. In the inspector sprite, no. The second coin collection. Add an asset named egg. This is in the inspector in the sprite renderer section. Give a value of 1 to the order in layer so that the egg is visible in the background. Add two 2D polygon collider components. The first in the is trigger section. This is checked and the second does not need to be checked. This is enter the script name coin by right clicking create C script. The third enter the script name coin by right clicking create C script. Okay, this is the script. Okay, next, script explanation. The coin script in Unity function to provide an effect when the player takes a coin. When the game starts, the script looks for an object named bird and takes the character component from that object. When the player object with the player tag touches the coin object, the number of coins in the character component of bird will increase by 1 and the coin is immediately destroyed. Removed from the skin using destroy game object. The update function is provided but not used, while the main logic is on trigger enter 2D, which handles interaction between objects. Okay, next, the third, camera follow. In the hierarchy section, select the main camera. Then in the component section, find a new script. This is and name it camera and enter the script for the camera. If you are in the hierarchy section, this is script. The camera script in Unity function to follow the movement of the player object. In this case, the object named bird, as long as its life has not run out. In the start function, the script searches for the bird object and takes the character component to check the life status. In the update function, the camera position will continue to be updated following the player position with a certain distance determined by the offset variable, as long as the life value of the motion component is not equal to 0. If the life runs out, the camera will stop following the player. If you are in hierarchy, click on the main camera, then set the number in the offset. If you are in the hierarchy section, click on the main camera, then set the number in the offset section on the letter Z to -0.4 and change the player to bird. To bird. If you if you are in the hierarchy section, click on the main camera, then set the number in the offset section on the letter Z to -0.4 and change the player to a bird by searching for drag and drag. Okay, let's play. Yes, this is okay. That's all the explanation from me. Thank you.